Welcome to in front of me Doogee S98, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. Unfortunately, we have no installed by default always on display feature. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And to do that, let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter Muviz Edge App. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we just should open here the application and click drop over apps. Then just tap here to the Muviz Edge, tap once on the switcher to activate it, and go back to the application. Then tap here to the AOD and select one from these available towns. For example, let's use this one, and just here to tap to apply it, lock the device, and now we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.